Friends, welcome to Microsoft Excel course. Today I am continuing with editing data in Excel in part 2. It is the fifth video in Microsoft Excel course. Before starting the session, my request is if you are not subscribed to my channel, click on the subscribe button below and also click on bell icon to get notification on every video I release. This will help you to keep in touch with all the videos and get the information. So let's understand the today's content. Now I want to go to a cell where I need to replace or type something. You are having a big list and you need to go to G100 cell, that is G column and 100th row. What you have to do is click on control and hold the key and click on G. You'll get this. Now type the reference as G column and 100th row, that is G100. Click on OK and you are now on G column. Here you can reference the name box G100 and G column and 100th row you are in. This is about going to a cell. Now finally, let's understand the basic functions, how you can reach to the functions. I'll not be explaining much about the functions now. So how you can reach out to the functions. Here I'm in the F column. Let me add one more column. In subject, what is the marks? I'm having 95, marks 1, marks 2, marks 3 and total. So student 1 is having 95 marks, 90 and 85. Student 2 is having 85, 90, 92. Now here two students marks are there. I need a total here. What I can do, I can click here and enter equal to and type sum and bracket. You can see the help coming up, sum and bracket, and select all the cells where you want to calculate the sum and close the bracket and enter. This is a way where you can type the formula or function and get the result. If I click on the cell, you can see here the formula or function entered. So I have entered one formula to get the total of these three cells. Now instead the simplest is I can select all the four where the three are having the data and fourth one is blank and click on this auto sum. You can see on the screen auto sum and click. It is automatically calculated with the same formula. Instead you typing the formula, the Excel inserts using the auto sum function. Now you need the total of these two. What you can do is either you can select these and click on auto sum, or you can click here and put the formula with equal, or you can even click on the cell, go to this insert functions here on the top, insert functions, and click on sum. Okay, and now you can select the cells. Now once select cells are selected, click on OK. Now both total are totaled, grand total has appeared here. This is the way you can add the functions for any activity. This is basic about the functions. I'll be explaining all the functions in multiple future videos. So I request you to please visit my future videos also. If you think this video is interesting, click on the like button below. And also, if you think it's interesting, share with your friends and family. It will be helpful for all to understand the Excel. Also, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please click on subscribe button below. And also, Click on the bell icon to get notification of all my videos from the YouTube as and when it is uploaded. Thanks for watching. This is the Excel Microsoft Excel course video number 4, the data entry in Excel. Thank you. If you are interested, please watch other videos listed here and also click on the button here to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.